Hi everybody, welcome to Library Highlights with Mary. We're going to be closed Sunday, May 28th and Monday, May 29th in observance of Memorial Day. You can access our e-resources if you go to our website and go to the e-resource page. You can still pick up the Diego Rivera art kits that we got from Crystal Bridges. Just stop by the Cirque desk. They've got them. Don't forget, tomorrow night, the Brewtastic Book Fair is going to be from 4 to 8 at the Ozark Beer Company. Now, this is the third time that we have partnered with the Ozark Beer Company and the Friendly Bookstore. So be sure and come down. It's in downtown Rogers. Your next summer read will be there. In the teen department, it's National Strawberry Month. And for their DIY Monday, which is tomorrow night, the 22nd, from 6 to 8, guess what they're making? Strawberry shortcake. Yum. There won't be a DIY Monday on the 29th because we'll be closed for Memorial Day. On Thursday, May 25th, they will have Library Taskmaster from 6 to 8. And on Tuesday, the 30th, will be the Anime Club, and that's from 5 to 7. Monday the 22nd, which is tomorrow night, Miss Myra will be having the volunteer orientation for the children's department from 6:30 to 7:30. Now, if you filled out an application and signed a waiver, you need to come to this orientation. The schedules will be assigned on that date, but don't panic. If you still want to be a volunteer, just follow the link that's in the description of this video to the application, and Miss Myra will just train you at another time. Saturday, June 3rd is our big summer reading kickoff. The theme this year is All Together Now. The fun's going to start at 2 p.m. and it'll last until 4. There's going to be games and crafts, and at 3 p.m., Will Parker Music for Kids will perform. So come pick up your logs, get registered for programs, and just have an altogether good time. Remember, we're closed Sunday and Monday, the 28th and 29th, for Memorial Day. Oh, and one last thing. On the last day of school, which is May 26th, the Rogers Activity Center will have their summer celebration. We're going to have a booth there, so be sure and come and visit us. And of course, have fun at the rack. So until next time, I hope you all have another couple of wonderful weeks.